come take a walk with me. Right now, we're located in the community of Darcy Ranch. Where's Darcy Ranch? It is a newer community in Okotoks, Alberta. This beautiful community offers growth, development, walkability, as well as these beautiful walking paths for the whole family to enjoy. You got playgrounds, ponds, and a beautiful mountain view. Now, you're not gonna wanna miss our beautiful new listing located in this community. You ready? Let's go check it out. Oh my goodness, are you ready to see my favorite part of the house? Guess what? We're standing in it. These 9-foot ceilings, the pot lights, the natural light engulfing the entire main floor, but most importantly, this massive open concept kitchen and the flow between the kitchen, dining, and formal living. Now, you're not gonna wanna miss what's upstairs. Welcome to the upstairs. You have 3 bedrooms upstairs, 1 bathroom, and laundry. Now take a look at this master. Massive windows allowing all the natural light in, a nice walk-in closet, and a beautiful 3-piece bathroom. And lastly, your 2 bedrooms overlooking the walking paths and the parks that we initially saw earlier in this video. What'd you think of the house? Isn't it an absolute masterpiece? If you want more information on this specific house, or you want to see others like it in the area, my number's below, my email's there, reach out, I'll be talking to you soon.